That is why most of us, especially from this region, we continue getting very embarrassed by our leader, whom we respect, whom we supported, by not doing the right thing. We continue to urge him to consider following what the Archbishop has done, following what other leaders did, and take a break and go and rest and allow other people an opportunity. Because it's the right thing to do. We get very embarrassed as a people, as a region, when our leader is subjected to embarrassment and humiliation. We want to dignify that office because it's a high office. So when we see our leader with goons and such other people around him, we feel very bad as a people. And for the people of this region, we want to continue praying for our leader so that God can touch him to apply wisdom and dignify that very high office that he held by doing the right thing. Archbishop Njoroge, we want to thank you for the work you have done for the last 7 years with the other two archbishops to unite the independent church. This church is very important to us, especially the people of this region. Kanitha oyo kanitha twitiagira tondu niguo aruire wiyathi na kanitha oyo kinyitana ugakorwo ndurarua nikio gikeno gitu. Kwa bishop, archbishops, please, hari hatigarite hanini mutucokaniririe kanitha uyu witu twaragie kimwe. Na ndakena tondu inyuothe mwi haha ni muratuonia riu na ithuĩ twatongoria haha. We are challenged and we are inspired also. O uria muracokanĩria kanitha ũyũ wa Idi, kanitha wa nyũmba ĩno itũ, na niĩ na atongoria aya tucokanĩrĩrie rũrĩrĩ twaragie gĩkĩ. Na nĩ ngwenda kwĩra atongoria aitũ na ndĩmwĩre nĩ tũthiĩte wega, tondũ tũraikarire thĩ na atongoria aya